Let's go. Do it.
Oh, here it comes.
212, we definitely got to stay on that. Not sure how many tires. It's going westbound on the Parkway right now. Overdue overpass.
10-4.
Hey, anyone coming back, shut down 95.
Driver, stick your hands out the window!
210 vehicles clear.
Copy, vehicles clear.
Alpha 223 Flagler, there's a Whiskey Foxtrot walking southbound. Hey! Stay where you are, don't move! Don't move! We're about 500 yards south of the signal 4. Don't move! Stay where you are. Do not move. Face away from me. Face away from me. Do it now. Do not move.
Alpha 214.
Hold on.
Stand by.
Just wait. Do not move. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I'm telling you.
Anybody else with you?
No, I'm in the truck.
What truck?
Went that way. Alpha 214, this contract
Oh, they're charging you as well. They're on their way to the jail.
Copy, signal 3 with a bat. Why are you looking at him like that?
Because he was standing behind me and I didn't know that he was standing.
This looks like copper.
What?
That says sheriff on the side of it.